Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Yuzu Cake. This is like a Yuzu version of Weekend Citron. Very simple and easy. Maybe finding Yuzu citrus is the most difficult part of the cake. But once you have Yuzu citrus, you need only 10 minutes or so until you put it in the oven. You ready? Let's get started. These are what you need. 100 grams each of regular sugar, powdered sugar, butter, and all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, 3 grams of baking powder, and some Yuzu citrus. These are very small yuzus, I'm using 2, but if you have a big one, you just need 1. Before your kitchen gets messy, let's prepare the mold. This is the mold I'm using. It's 8 cm and 20 cm. Put it like this. And prepare parchment paper big enough to cover the mold. And mark 4 corners. Make slits to the mark. And fold it like this. From the mark to the mark. And put it in the mold. Before you start, make sure everything is at room temperature. Put butter and regular sugar in the bowl. And beat it well until it's nice and fluffy. Then the eggs, one by one. When it lost the sliminess, add the other egg. Then, zest of the Yuzu citrus. And you don't need the mixer anymore. Mix flour and baking powder and shift it into the bowl. And fold it into mix until it's nice and shiny. Looks good. So let's put it in the mold. Put some dough here as a glue so the parchment paper don't come down. Then dough into the mold. And drop it a few times to flatten the surface and also to push out the air inside. Okay, let's put it in the preheated oven to bake, 180 degrees Celsius. Baked for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Put a toothpick in the middle. And if there is no dough sticking to the toothpick, that means it's baked. Let's cool it down to room temperature and then finish it with some glaze. The cake I made earlier today is room temperature, so let's finish it with yuzu glaze. You need 20 grams of yuzu juice, so let's squeeze it. Let's just cut them into half. And squeeze it in a bowl through a strainer so that you can remove the seeds and the bits. Then 20 grams into the bowl of powdered sugar. Mix it well. And let's put it all over the cake. Remove the parchment paper. And pour the glaze. And let's dry it for a while. I left it for half an hour. When I touch the glaze, it doesn't stick to my finger. So it's time to slice and taste. Itadakimasu. It's so rich and buttery, but very fresh at the same time thanks to the yuzu citrus. Delicious! That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!